They're all playing. And good little Dihedral over there is using the litter box. Hey, it's baby steps when you're talking about baby kitties. They're a little wild right now. Oh my goodness. Hi Bella. Hi Bella. Hi Romeo. You guys are just too much. You're just too much. All of you. I can't capture how cute all of this is. They're really rough with each other though. I guess that's what kittens do. I've never dealt with kittens this age, so this is something new. Hi Bobbi. Hi there Bobbi. This is Bobbi playing under the door with her sibling Sheba. Paw under the door. They're just too precious. And Romeo and Jackie are sparring. Romeo is such a loud purrer. You can't tell right now because he's fighting. Jackie! Romeo! Come here, Romeo! Come here, buddy! Show us how you purr, sweetie. You want to purr right now? Yeah, sweetie. There's Sheba, the queen of Sheba. Hi, Sheba. She looks bigger than she is. She's just so furry. Sheba.